My view on innovation is that in our part of the world, especially the Nordic region, it's become very much a debate club, an academic debate club, where a lot of people think that they're very, very smart and they've read all the books, but they just don't do anything. At SRI, we have a totally different approach. We still think we're smart, but we're also practitioners. We actually go out and do it. I mean, we walk our talk. So I think that's a huge difference. And I think that's one of the reasons why Silicon Valley is so much better at innovation than the Nordic region or Europe in particular. It's important for not only companies, but for Europe, with Greece and Italy and Spain defaulting. The countries need to grow. Where's growth going to come from? Growth comes from innovation. And everything is changing right now. Every major industry in the world is at a crossroads. A lot of research is being done, but in 10 years, the energy sector will be totally different from what it is today. Health is going to be different. You know, every major sector is at a crossroads. Education, publishing, media, what we're talking about today, huge crossroads. If these guys don't wake up and understand that the game is changing, they're going to be dead. They're going to be rolled over by some smart little company who understands what the customer really needs. So every company on the planet Earth is just one surprise product launch away from being made obsolete. We think innovation is continuous value creation based on big, important customer needs. And if you don't understand that, if you don't have a system in your company that allows that, then you're not able to innovate. So you have to drive the right behavior. It's not quantum physics, it's actually very, very simple. But because it's been made an academic debate club, a lot of companies think that they have to make it academic and difficult, and that's where they go wrong. At SRI, we make it very simple, and we succeed. Well, my area of expertise is actually to make people understand how simple it is to put together what we call a value creation architecture that actually allows you to release the innovation power in your organization and with your customers. Because innovation is all about people. It's not about a fancy process. It's all about people, so you have to have passionate champions. You have to have a process that allows you to unleash that power. You have to get input from the outside. And you have to understand what's going on in the world. You have to understand the rate of change. And I think a lot of the people in business today do not understand the rate of change. They don't understand that they and their company may be outrun within a couple of years by new startups or by new products and services. Because there's a lot of creative destruction going on right now, and it will continue for the next 10, 20 years. So you have to be on your toes. I think it's extremely important to participate in events like this, in conferences like this, because first of all, you get to meet a number of different people that are in your own area, but you also get challenged from outsiders, and hopefully you walk away with some new perspective and some new tools that can inspire you to make the necessary change.